Hey guys, it's July 4th and we are getting ready to grill up in the house and wanted to give you some cooking with Blackbeard. So Nicole is prepping her famous little ribs here, just putting on the dry rub. And we're gonna cook this in the oven for about three and a half hours and then some grill time. All right, we're doing several of these just on some parchment paper. You just want to sprinkle it all on and then rub it nicely in there and then put it in the fridge and let it rest for a while. All right guys, it's grill time. We're just warming her up. Got our corn on the cob, nice barbecue rub with some olive oil. Gonna grill these up. Boy, it's hot today. So for all you people that don't know, Arizona, we are at 117 today. We're north of Phoenix, so it's cooler up here. We're about 115 to 117 today. And sponsored today by Celsius. If you like energy drinks, these are what you should be drinking. Anyways, if you don't know, that's about 48 degrees for you guys in Europe or the other metric parts of the world. But let's get these ribs on the barbecue. Corn on the cob going. It's 4th of July. All right, we got these cooking on here, medium to low heat. It's super hot out today anyway, so I don't need the grill super hot. We're gonna char these up a little bit and then put them on the top rack and then bring the ribs out for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so these are out of the oven about 3.5 hours at 250 degrees. Nicole's gonna put a bunch of her homemade barbecue sauce on it. And then we got about 5 to 10 minutes on the grill, around 350, 400. Just get a nice little glaze from the sugar. Nicole doesn't use any sugar on these. It's with a coconut sugar, so it's a little healthier. All right, so you're gonna get a little charring on the husks. Don't worry, just watch the corn. You don't want popcorn out of this thing. All right, guys, don't worry if you get a little char on these. That's just normal. We got these one side down about 3-4 minutes, medium to high heat. We just want to get that sugar to just crisp up. Flip over, another couple minutes. You can see the meat already pulled back in on the bones. That's what you want. That's the slow cooking. All right, just wanting to get a little bit of char on this barbecue sauce. And then we're gonna bring it on up. Looking good. All right guys, thanks for grilling with us today. Happy 4th of July. Everyone have a good weekend all over the world. Take care. All right, Nicole wanted me to show you guys. They're just falling off the bone. Yeah, my dog's gonna be happy tonight. All right, see ya.